来有一个抽奖 ，Gas and Win 的抽奖 ，Gas and Win。Now we are starting our live for Gas and Win. So this is Yana. This is Hanson, second Hanson. They will assist us to counting the bottle inside the fridge. So you can see full of 100 plus. So we got box A, box B, and box C. So now we are start counting the bottle in the fridge.
Okay, handsome boy, let's go.
Let's go. Please assist Yana to counting the bottle inside the fridge.
也有一个人他那个人就是凯姐。
来 start counting.
So each box.
So we are start counting the bottle from the fridge.
10 and 50 bottle.
So please wait for the result. Thank you from all your support to Dino Kampas Jaya Kulai branch.
This bottle is 64.
They are working in counting the bottle 100 plus.
Okay, this box bottle is 64. 64 bottles.
So one line of the quantity will be 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So now we have it's still on counting for the result. One row 10. One row 10, then easier for counting. So we start counting the bottle inside the fridge. We have 3 boxes. A for 208, B 210, and C 212. Please wait for the result. So our first prize for the lucky draw, the first prize will be Samsung Gear S2 Smart Watch and new Gear VR and Blu-ray. All sponsored by Samsung.
So the result is almost.
You zoom and count. We zoom
Okay,
and count.
we start count
We start
right
counting
now.
per bottle.
So each line is 10. We will count from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
So total is 20 of 10. So the total is 210. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So the total is 210. So the box is B.
Congratulations.
Congratulations who gets the box. Now it's time to us to draw.
We look for customer help us to draw.
Okay. Now we are looking for customer to
Help us to draw the lucky person.
let's go. Who is be the lucky one to draw our
Sorry. Spend you 1 minute. Can you help me to draw up?
take one.
Draw person. Help me draw one. So this is the
First
prize
third prize.
for the Samsung Blu-ray. So this is the person who get the
Third prize.
of Samsung Blu-ray.
Congratulations to Muhammad Safarin bin Mat Amin. Okay. Now we will go to the second prize. Auntie, don't run. The second prize. Who is the winner? The winner is Chai Mui Fong. Congratulations. So now will be the
Second prize will be what?
first prize.
First prize.
Yes.
Kakak boleh tolong tak kakak? Kakak boleh tolong ada satu petak.
Okay, this is our grand prize.
Samsung smartwatch.
Yes. And the winner is Kelly Wong.
Kelly Wong get the first prize of Gear S2 smartwatch sponsored by Samsung.
Okay. Thank you for your support. We will continue to make live. See you soon. Goodbye.